two unboxing from Hermes, which I bought some time ago. One of them is going to be a present, an Xmas present, and one of them is going to be for me. So this is the receipt. One of them is a repeat purchase because I really enjoyed it, so I decided to rebuy it for one of my family members. Let's see. Can you guess what this is? Yep, it's the famous or rather ever popular Oran sandals. Okay, this is the one in gold. So this is going to be a piece for myself. I really like the neutral beigey look, and it's such a staple and classic piece that's going to go with everything. And this is in size 36.5. I really like how this brown gives it a pop of color. I'm not quite sure what leather is this, but it's really the perfect brown. I'm really into browns recently, and beige and neutral. So I think, for example, this pair of Ouche Oran sandals will match really well with the most recent bag of mine, which is the beige NG121 mini square flap in lambskin and gold hardware. So this and this will look really perfect for summer and spring even, or maybe even autumn. I think wherever it's tropical is going to be a constant heat at where it is. Really loving this pair of shoes. So this piece is actually also an orange sandal, but I know I'm giving it to my family member, so I'm not going to open it up and do anything much to it, but just unwrap it, and then afterwards I will wrap it back. It's something that the family member already wanted for a long time, and she knew that I'm going to film this video, and I got her permission, so it's perfectly fine. So this is the black one, which I also have a pair, but I decided to buy as a treat for a family member as a reward. So this is the in black, and I know this is in box leather, so it's going to be more fragile, whereas this is, can't tell if it's box, but it looks pretty similar, and both are really perfect for day-to-day wear. But I guess I have a lot of black shoes already, so I thought this go add a pop of color and style. I can't decide whether I want to protect the soles yet, but let's see. So these are my two new additions.